What's with all the napkins?
I just wanted people to know that I'm eating a banana.
Okay, but why is there such a long line of napkins? Couldn't you have a shorter line?
It's to warn people that they are fast approaching the table where I'm eating a banana.
Got it. What's with all the half-eaten bananas?
Oh, I got hungry and started to eat one. Then I got hungry and started to eat another one. Then I got hungry and started to eat another one, and so on.
Why didn't you just eat a whole one and clean up? And if you got hungry again, eat another whole one and clean up, and so on. This is really inconvenient for anybody who wants to use the table. Why are there still some half-eaten bananas on the table? How long is it going to take you to finish them all? Well, all the bananas have finally been eaten, but why are there still napkins on the floor? When is he going to get rid of these?